All right, one of the reasons why I'm having you draw these AutoCAD challenge drawings in Onshape is to help you learn and be able to better identify what the orthographic drawings should look like so that when you go to draw those, you'll be good to go. Now, one of the ways that we're going to use this three-dimensional drawing is to create a actual drawing file from it. So if I come right down here to Part Studio and oh, sorry, it wasn't Part Studio, but let's come to this plus tab in Onshape. If I click on that and I'll say create drawing. Now, we've got the ANSI A size drawing. You should remember that the A size drawing is an 8.5 by 11 drawing, so we're going to use that. No views right now. We'll just click OK. And we're going to create an orthographic drawing of what this looks like. So here's my Part Studio drawing. So I'm going to left click on that. I'm going to bring over the front view and the side view. Bring that in. Now, I'm still kind of in a projected view, so let's go back to the front view and let's go up here to place the top view so we see what that looks like. Back to my front view here, and now we're going to project over and create the isometric view right there in that position. Now, since this kind of came in and these are a little smaller than I want, I'm going to bring my mouse back over to this point here. I'm going to left click. Oh, I'm still in, so let me escape out of that. So I was still in the projected view, so I escaped out of that. Now I can come back over here and I'm going to right click. And in this case, I want to come down and let's take a look here at properties on this. So I'm going to go view properties. Now, I get a pop-up window here and notice the scale that's shown. So I'm going to change this from 1/3 scale. I want to make this part a little bigger on the sheet. So I'm going to go to 1/2 scale. Now, notice I'm getting this scale label on there too. I don't want that. So I'm going to click that check mark to take that off of this view. So place my check mark. Now, Onshape isn't quite as efficient with this, so I kind of have to do the same thing on these with each view to get that label off of there, or at least at this point I haven't really quite figured out if there's a way to do it all at once. Our best case scenario is you do it from the beginning and you won't have to worry about it. But so let me get all of those off of there. So I'm at that 1:2 scale now. Now there's something else. I only have object lines here, so I want to bring in hidden lines. So I'm going to again right click and notice I have show hide right here. So we're going to say show hidden lines. So there are no hidden lines on that one, so we don't worry about it. So right here, I'm going to come over, put my mouse here. We will show hidden lines in this case. So notice now it brings those hidden lines in, and the same thing up here. I'm going to right click, show hidden lines here as well so that I get the hidden lines in there now too. So now you've got a isometric view right here. Let's kind of click on this and move it over just a little bit. So you've got your front view, you've got your side view, you've got your top view. So now you know what this drawing should look like so that you can go back into AutoCAD and create this drawing in AutoCAD as well.